Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. As you can see from the picture that we are going to read about class 9 mensurations chapter. The topic is right circular cone, and mensuration means from surface area volume chapter. Right circular cone. Now as you can see from the picture that this is a figure of a cone. As we know that from our previous concept that birthday cap, okay, cloud's cap, these are some examples of right circular cone. Now let us just some conical vessel. These are all are the example of right circular cone. Now how this cone is formed? Okay, if we take one right angle triangle, this is the right angle triangle suppose. Okay, so this is its height, this is the base, this is the perpendicular. Now if we fixed this perpendicular, okay, and we can, by taking this as axis, we can move this right circular cone along with. So we are moving this right circular this triangle along with. So the figure so formed is called a right circular cone. Understood that? So we are taking a right angle triangle by taking this height as axis and moving the angle, moving the triangle along with its axis. We are getting a figure. That figure is called a cone. Hope you understood that. So here I am following R.S. Agarwal book. R.S. Agarwal math book. Okay, and this is called the vertex. Okay, this line denoted by L, small l, is called the slant height. Okay, H is height and R is base radius. Understood? Now, and this figure named as a cone or right circular cone. Now as you can see from this figure that this is, as if we named it, suppose this A, this is O and B. So from the triangle, if we consider the triangle AOB, we are getting L square is equal to H square plus R square. So that means L equal to root over of H square plus R square. Understood? We are just erasing this picture. Now let us come to the formula without delaying. Formula. First is volume of cone or right circular cone, volume of cone whose height is a 1/3 pi r square h cubic unit. Okay, 1/3 pi r square h cubic unit. Now next there will be two area. One is area of curved surface and area of total surface. Area of curved surface mean means if we open this circle, this lower circle, if we open this, okay, so we are getting only the curve portion, this curve portion, okay. So that is the area of that portion. Means suppose if we take and we are making a cone, suppose we are making a cone with the help of this. So this portion is called the curved surface, understood. So the area of the curved surface is equal to pi RL, that is equal to pi RL SQ unit, okay. Area of the, now if we put the value of L over here, we are getting pi R root over of H square plus R square, square unit. Next, total surface area. This is the curved surface area or area of the curved surface. Next, total surface area. Now total surface area consists with this curved surface, okay, together with this circle's area. Surface area is pi R square. So that means pi RL plus pi R square, okay. Taking pi R as common, so L plus R SQ unit, understood. And here we can take pi as 22/7, obviously pi as 22/7. So that is it, the preliminary idea of right circular cone. Next we have to move the preliminary idea about sphere. So till then keep watching my channel and do subscribe and stay with me. Here I am suggest you again that here some solved example. There are some various types of solved example are given, obviously in R.S. Agarwal, various types of solved example by using this formula, volume, area, total surface area, area of the curved surface, total surface area, okay. So you just go through that formula first, remember this, then go through the question, okay, go through the solved example, then you can start EX13C, okay. If you are unable to do it, then you can ask me, I will definitely help you to understand it, okay. So till then, this is 90 degree, since it is a right angle triangle, this is obviously 90 degree. So that is it for this video. Hope you will understand it, what I want to say. Next we will move our next topic related to surface area and volume, that is sphere, okay. There are various types of things in that topic. So till then keep watching, thank you.